Finally. Still a bad gears though. But yeah, that'd be me. Break it in the first minute again. Whoa. I've been waiting for days to light this fire, so maybe now's the time. Aren't calling for any rain or thunderstorms, but some of these clouds certainly looks like it. But they're not very big. So now I gotta fix my steering after all that. I don't know if you can hear the baby birds off in the distance. Non-stop. Yeah, let's light this sucker. Light it. I checked the weather over and over and over again. It's not supposed to be any real wind. It's like 9 kilometers an hour, gusting maximum 20, so hopefully this burns, flares up, goes down, and all the grass, everything's soaked from all the storms, so it should burn quickly. Then I'm going to throw that on. Hopefully that burns quickly, and then I'm going to throw that on. Pick up all the sticks around the edges as we go and put them back on the fire. Keep going. There we go. Head on this phone mount is a piece of crap. There you can see the ashes are falling right where they're we don't want them to. This should burn for about 5 minutes. Nice to have this working again. Yes, I like those RC four-wheel drive motors, dude. A little more powerful, just a little bit. Catwalk from a dead stop. No problem. That's pretty good. No problem with that. And then these batteries, or these motors can handle a lot more batteries, but I think the only thing I can do with this speed control is go from a 3S to two 2S's. That'll get me up in voltage a little bit, and that's where the end of that ESC is. With a different ESC, I could go up to 30 volts, it says on these motors. That would be insane in this truck. I'm sure you wouldn't even want to do that. Breaking parts way too easily. Whew, that is warm. Well, she took care of that in short order. Wow. Let it cool down. Throw some more on. Nice to be back outside after days of rain, and hail, depression, and broken parts. Amazing how the sunshine can fix all that. The gears I need for this thing are $2.99, but I can't get them. Back ordered. And the guy says, okay, well, I can get you one from a different model. This one is $7.99. I'm like, okay, I don't have enough for two. And he's like, oh, I don't have two. Yeah, well, my truck needs two. So, instead of ordering a set of two for $2.99, I should get another set of two with it. Should actually call them and double that up. I mean, for $5 freaking $6. To have a spare set would be great. But I also don't have a set of the other gears that they mate to in the transmission, and I don't even think you can order those. So that's the issue. I have another set, but they're pretty bad as well. So I should stop being hard on this thing trying to do wheelies. Actually, just drive it around. Fire patrol. That's what I'm doing with this thing, is driving around, putting out fires. The thing I like about this truck is how long a battery lasts if you just play with it a bit, put it away, play with it a bit, put it away, kind of thing. Because with twin motors and geared the way it is, it doesn't have any struggle. Let's go see who's chirping. Should get the other fire pit going too. I need to keep them both going for like a week. See, there's another huge branch down in the front yard. That tree is chirping. Oh, and my radio's chirping. Trying to tell me half an hour's up. There's babies in that tree up there. I don't know if you guys can see. I think I made a video about it the other day. How the top hole, halfway up the tree, quarter way up the tree, I guess. These are tall. Probably about 30 feet off the ground. 20 feet, at least. You're giving away your position. I can hear you from miles away. There, getting fed by Mom. And away she goes. Just non-stop crying for food until something gets shoved in it. It's been really good for mosquitoes this year. Need to get back out here. Finally, this week is supposed to be nice. We gotta not break this thing so we can use it on the trail. Whoa, almost went straight into that tree. So we've got to not break this thing. Anyways, as you can see, I burnt one pile already. It's a little bit to pick up while the batteries were charging. So I got that much to go. It's starting to get dark. Getting a little worm on the side. A little worm. Not bad. Just a little breeze won't fix. Stick breaker. Oh, that's right in the bottom. Okay, that's not good. I gotta get that one. There you go, guys. I'll get Bonfire out of the way. I'll come over here and shovel this one out. Still got all that to burn. And all the stuff back there in the monster truck track to burn. See Mother Nature to give me a break and get caught up here now.
Intercept and destroy. Intercept and destroy.